you basically get what's out there. Don't take it the wrong way. You're a little right foot happy.
Yeah.
Next time we go out, a little slower, and can get the car to point in a little better, and you can attack those cones again a little faster.
Top of the morning to you guys. What's going on? Jonathan Golden with the GT3 here, and we are going to Porsche Owners Club. It's I'm going to a car control clinic because I need better car skills. But seriously, I think it's going to help with me for the track. You know, going there. There's in the course, there's a few different things that they're going to go over. One of them is what I really wanted to do is SKIDPAD training. So that's where you can kind of take traction control off on the track, because that does slow me down a little bit when I have it on. And I'd like to have that off and have a little bit better car control. So if the car does, you know, the rear end does lose it a little bit, I can kind of counter steer. And I've been doing that, you know, counter steering. But the traction control is on, so it's not really a real counter steer. It's kind of like a little correction. So I'm going to learn that. There's also braking, throttle steering, there's Slalom, and there's autocross. So really looking forward to this, and we'll bring you guys along. We'll take you through a couple of classes. I'll do I'll put the camera in the front of the car, so take a look and subscribe. And this is the braking course where you drive down here, accidents, avoidance, and brake. There's the skid pad over there. Looking forward to that.
You accelerate down down this row, I'll tell you at the last second, left to right. You go left to right.
No braking, just lift off.
If whatever you want to do.
Okay.
And it's not a braking challenge. At the white cones, stop. At the end. Got it?
Got it.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go! Right. Right. That's it.
You already did it once. Look, you did a good job. So, thanks. Punch it. Yeah, really good job. All right. That's it. And right. Full brake, full brake, full brake.
Well, I learned something new about my car today. It has a clutch kick. So how you do that is you hold both paddles at once and then it will disengage the gear, so it will go into like neutral. So like say if you have a manual car, it's like putting the clutch in. So pretty cool, you can do that on a PDK Porsche. Cops showed up to shut down the party. Hey, what is going on everybody? Jonathan Golden back home. End of the day, Porsche Owners Club. Thank you so much for hosting that event, Car Control Clinic. Learned a lot on this figure 8, Slalom, accident avoidance, and then also the SKIDPAD, where you learn to kind of correct yourself if you start drifting. So if you're new to racing or autocross or anything like that, highly recommend the Car Control Clinic. I learned a few things and hopefully I'm gonna apply them tomorrow at the track. I'm going to Willow Springs, Big Willow. So hopefully I can do a good time tomorrow using the skills I learned today in the autocross. I definitely prefer the track more than autocross, so if you guys want to try both, highly recommend trying one or the other. I do see myself maybe doing autocross in the future, but more definitely track days in the future down the line with the GT3. So hopefully we can get the car prepped for time trials. We have to have racing seat belts, roll cage, seats, and then also, I believe that's it. And a racing suit, gloves, and shoes, the basic stuff. But for the car, the roll cage, belts, seats, and everything. So hopefully I can get that going soon. It's about $7,000. It's a lot of money. So hopefully I can get that funding and apply it, and then also do some time trials for you guys, time attacks, and compete for some prizes maybe. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like the Jonathan Golden channel, and we'll see you on the next vlog.